In our pursuit of physical fitness, we often overlook a vital component, our brain. Have you ever stopped to consider fitness for your brain? Mental sharpness, the ability to think clearly and react quickly, is just as crucial, if not more so, than physical strength. It impacts everything from our workouts to our daily decisions. That's where vitamin B12 steps in. It's not just another vitamin, it's a powerhouse for cognitive function, playing a key role in keeping your mind sharp and focused. Vitamin B12 is essential for keeping nerve cells healthy, ensuring they function correctly, and supporting DNA creation, the very blueprint of our bodies. It's fundamental for overall neurological health. When B12 levels are optimal, meaning you're getting enough of this crucial nutrient, we feel more alert, our minds are clearer, and we experience a significant boost in energy levels. We become more focused, able to concentrate for longer periods, and resilient, better equipped to handle stress and challenges. This translates to boosting performance in every aspect of life, from your workouts to your career and personal relationships. Today, I'll show you the top 10 B12-rich foods that you can easily incorporate into your diet. These are foods every fit woman should consider to ensure they're getting enough of this vital nutrient. And don't worry, I've included options for all diets, whether you're a meat eater, vegetarian, or vegan. Let's get started on building a stronger, sharper you, one delicious and nutritious bite at a time. First up, eggs. Let's dive into why these oval wonders are considered a top-tier brain food. We're talking about unlocking cognitive potential with something you can find in almost every kitchen. Not only are they packed with protein, providing essential amino acids for overall health, but they're also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. But the yolk is where the real magic happens. It's loaded with B12 and choline, two crucial nutrients for brain function. Choline helps build neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers vital for memory and muscle control. Think of it as fuel for your brain's communication network. Eating eggs supports your mind-muscle connection, enhancing the communication pathways between your brain and your body. This translates to improved coordination and focus, whether you're hitting the gym or tackling a complex project. They're versatile, affordable, and incredibly easy to add to any meal, from breakfast scrambles to lunchtime salads, and even dinner frittatas. So, make eggs a staple in your diet for both brain and body health, and unlock your full potential, one delicious bite at a time. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are brain health superstars. They deliver B12 and omega-3s, which together protect nerves, build brain cells, and boost mood. Just a couple servings a week can sharpen your mind and support long-term cognitive vitality. Enjoy them grilled, in salads, or on toast for a delicious brain boost. Dairy products like milk and yogurt are everyday sources of B12. B12 in dairy helps synthesize mood-regulating neurotransmitters and supports energy metabolism. A yogurt parfait or a splash of milk in your smoothie fuels both your brain and body. Simple, accessible, and effective for mental clarity. Chicken and lean meats aren't just for muscle, they're rich in B12 too. This combo powers your body and brain, unlocking energy from your food. Lean meats help prevent sluggishness and keep your nervous system strong. Build a body and mind that are both ready for action. Fortified cereals are a quick, easy B12 source, especially for vegetarians. Choose whole grain, low-sugar options for the best benefits. Pair with milk or fortified plant-based milk for an extra B12 kick. Perfect for busy mornings and keeping your brain sharp. Paneer, or cottage cheese, is a vegetarian B12 and protein powerhouse. B12 in paneer maintains nerve health and boosts memory and concentration. Enjoy it in curries, salads, or as a snack for brain support. Traditional foods can be modern nutrition heroes. Fortified plant-based milks like almond or soy are essential for vegans. Always check labels to ensure they're enriched with B12. Use them in cereal, smoothies, or coffee for an effortless B12 boost. Smart swaps keep your brain and nerves healthy on a plant-based diet. Liver, especially beef or lamb, is the most potent B12 source. Just a small serving can provide several times your daily B12 needs. It supports red blood cell production and mental stamina. If you're open to it, liver is a traditional food with extraordinary brain benefits. Shellfish like clams, mussels, and oysters are B12 powerhouses. They also deliver zinc and iron for nerve signaling and energy. Shellfish support total vitality, mind and body. Enjoy them in pastas, stews, or steamed for a nutrient boost. Nutritional yeast is a vegan favorite, often fortified with B12. Sprinkle it on popcorn, pasta, or salads for a cheesy flavor and nutrient boost. Just a tablespoon can meet your daily B12 needs. It's a simple, tasty way to support energy and cognitive health. Here's a quick look at the top 10 B12-rich foods you can easily incorporate into your diet. These nutritional powerhouses are essential for maintaining optimal health and well-being. They're fantastic to boost not only your brain function and cognitive abilities, but also your overall fitness levels and physical performance. Make a conscious effort to integrate them into your daily meals and snacks. Experiment with recipes and find creative ways to enjoy these foods. This will lead to a sharper, more resilient mind, capable of handling stress, and a body that feels energized and ready to take on any challenge. Remember, nutrition is a personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, it's always a good idea to consult a qualified healthcare professional or registered dietitian, especially if you have specific dietary needs, underlying health conditions, or any concerns about your B12 levels. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you found this information helpful and valuable, please give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. Share this video with a friend or family member who might benefit from this information. See you in the next video. And remember to prioritize your health and well-being.